Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download data from BigQuery into Google Sheets step by step clearly. Open your Google Sheets. Click on Extensions in the top menu. Select BigQuery from the drop-down menu. If you don't see BigQuery, you may need to install the BigQuery data connector. Once BigQuery is selected, choose Enable BigQuery. A sidebar will open on the right side of your screen. In the sidebar, log in to your Google Cloud account if prompted. After logging in, you'll see your projects listed in the sidebar. Select the project that contains your BigQuery dataset. Click on the appropriate dataset within that project. Now, click on the table you want to download data from. At the bottom of the sidebar, click on Get Data. You will see an option to either import data or run a custom query. If you want to download a table directly, choose the Import Table option. For a custom query, select Run Custom Query. If using a custom query, type your SQL query in the provided text box. Once your SQL query is ready, click on the Run button. The results will display below the query box. Review your results to ensure they are correct. To load this data into your Google Sheet, click on Insert Data. The data will now populate your sheet. You may need to adjust the formatting or organization of the data. Save your Google Sheet to keep the imported data. Regularly refresh your data by rerunning the query if needed. That's it, you've successfully downloaded data from BigQuery into Google Sheets. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.